you like school?
Yeah.
What do you learn at school?
We do ABCs and lessons and ABCs.
I think it's messed up that it's being cut, not because they having money issues, but because they don't want other people to have affordable insurance, and it's putting them bind for kids that's getting a chance to go to school early. And other people that done lost it, they ain't lost their jobs, but they ain't getting paid for because they don't want people to have insurance coverage.
I'm devastated because this is where the kids get their start for a healthy education learning process. And it's very disturbing to hear that they can't come to an agreement on children's education and how important education is in America to make sure that there's funding for these kids to go to school.
They need to figure it out. They need to fix it. They need to do something like yesterday. Time has ran out. These kids have to get their education, and they talk all the time about how education is important. And the looks of things, it don't look like education is important. They're trying to close the school down. Yeah, I'm confused.
My whole thing is that they got money to fight other countries, and you know what I mean, to help other people in other countries, but they can't even take care of their own backyard. As far as this supposed to be like the Head Start, it's supposed to be like the future right here for the kids, but then they can take money and go to other countries and fight, you know what I mean, wars over there, but you can't even take care of home.
Ask the teacher.